Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find the profitable products to sell on Amazon in your niche. So you can use software like all other guys use, like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, Amazon Scout, Viral Launch and others, but you'll get the same result that all other guys see. So what I like to do, I like to use my own method. It's pretty simple. It's basically you search for a product that's basically any product that's from your niche. Let's say we have a agility training set. We sell sports equipment. Agility training set. Okay. So let's say we sell sports equipment. We go to any of these products and we go to their, not to their storefront, but to the sold by, like the user who sells this product, and we see all of their brands including this one. So it's not only limited so it's not only limited to this one, but all their other brands under this username. I hope you understand what I mean. So you click here, storefront, and check this out. 8,000 products, all coming from that guy. So you see that brand probably sells sports niche, but here you can see all of their products, everything they sell. But if you want to limit to only to your niche, you just click their storefront. But I prefer to see all other products they sell. Okay, and it's also faster. It's much faster to see it like this instead of their storefront, because you have to click categories like each one and then check the products. I see them all on the scroll down here, and that's how I find my most profitable products. Actually, I found all of my products this way. I never source a product when I find it, especially when I find it easily in any of these software like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, Viral Launch, etc. Because if I see it, if I can find it easy, everyone can find it easy. Everyone is gonna source it. I'm not gonna risk it. So I prefer this product. They probably are not seen. They maybe are, but probably aren't seen by many people. So that's why I prefer to do it this way. Okay, this guy has only one. Big Acom. And you can always see by rating. You can expect how many products they have. They probably don't have many, but yeah. But you see the first one, it's 8,000 plus products. It's crazy. I actually checked them all out. It took me about a whole day to check everything out, check the numbers and see. I found in that Juvo Plus username, I found approximately 20-25 products that are profitable and easy to sell and easy to source and everything. So that's you can check it out too. Okay, so guys, subscribe and stay tuned if you want to see more unconventional tips and tricks and strategies for Amazon sellers. Thank you.